I don't care. I'm here.
Listen, don't behave and delete that video.
Pas bonne pression. Et ça fait me mettre sur Facebook. Yes, m'a sort. Yes. M'a sort moi, mais ça fait me mettre mon live sur vidéo. Yes. Officer, how you doing?
Good, man.
Okay, I'm good.
So what's up with the picture?
Okay, I'm with my girlfriend right here.
Yeah.
But the only problem, the baby father get an appointment. We don't take care of the kids. I'm here to set up her full profile. But the only thing, I tell her, listen, you need to understand that you're not here to fix the world. Because even Jesus not here to fix the world. And then she trying to take picture of every single thing that I've done. To make me look bad because I got a resident situation. That's
How long have you two been together?
Last 7 months. My wife kicked me out. Okay. She beat me.
Okay.
When my wife she kicked me out, I tell her, listen, you are Facebook addicted. Leave, stay away from Facebook. And then she wanna do everything just to keep me. She want the man because every month I get sick. No.
What was your name, sir?
My name is Jovinson Pierre.
You want to just come down here and talk to me?
Yes, sure, absolutely, sure. I want that. He made on the hill and Florida. That's my car over there.
This one here?
Yes. And then.
So let me just. I understand kind of what situation to a point you got going on.
Yes.
What is she referring to when she says about a video you took?
Okay, I videotaped her because I want to protect myself. You know, this is America. Women said everything, and the police come. Who they gonna take? The black man.
That's not necessarily the case, sir.
No, that's why I videotaped her. I got no problem to delete the video, but the only problem that I have, your baby father leave you alone with the kids. I'm here, buy whips, diapers. I buy everything on the house. I give you $600 every month to pay the house, and then I am the one guy. Come on.
That's what I'm saying. It sounds like a tough situation.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, because she know better than me that I don't want this situation when I want to call the cops.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want.
Did you call or did she call?
She called. Okay. That's why she talked to you.
Right. Well, again, I saw you outside. We didn't know which house it was.
You see?
So I saw you out here.
Okay, listen, she did the date. She did the man. Okay. But she don't want to be it.
All right. So I understand that situation, but let me just tell you, if you did take a video, if she is improperly clothed, and you put it on any social media, you're gonna get charged.
No worries. Right? I can give you my phone, and you can delete that video.
The one thing that I will get is your ID, if you don't mind. That's the only thing. I don't need the video. That's between you. That's
no,
so I'm just telling you now, all right?
Listen,
where we stand, okay?
No worries, because I know America. Women want to charge you for everything. They miss the day, they want to charge you. That's why I'm trying to pop my clothes. I tell her, listen, you are in a Facebook addicted. I don't want to be with you.
Yeah, that sounds like the best decision, honestly.
That's why.
The situation that you explained is
That's
occurring.
Why. She don't want to be
concerned with yourself and not so
no
much
worries.
that.
I'm gonna give you my phone and delete that video. You're not gonna see this video on social media. But the only thing I want her to leave me alone because.